Meaning of distortion.
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 Distortion. Distortion refers to any alteration or deviation from the original or intended form or shape of something. It involves changes, often undesired, that occur in a signal or image during transmission or processing. In audio engineering, distortion can result in unwanted changes to the quality of sound, while in video, it can cause visual distortions and loss of image quality. Distortion can also refer to the exaggeration or misrepresentation of facts or events, leading to a distorted perception of reality. Overall, distortion results in a deviation from the original or intended state, leading to undesirable effects.